Hiccups start deep inside your diaphragm muscle. The diaphragm is a dome-shaped breathing muscle. It suddenly contracts in sharp, involuntary spasms. This forces air rushing up your throat. Your vocal cords slam shut instantly. That closure creates the classic hiccup sound. Your vagus nerve triggers the entire reflex. Eating too fast irritates this nerve directly. Cold liquids shock the diaphragm into spasming. Hiccups serve no known survival purpose today. Fetuses hiccup inside the womb regularly. Scientists believe it trained ancient gills to breathe. The longest recorded case lasted 68 years. Most hiccups resolve within minutes naturally. Holding your breath raises carbon dioxide levels.